I have taken a full HD sequence. Extract the downloaded file and import it into Essential Graphics panel. Locate the text message template and drag it on your timeline. On the Essential Graphics panel, you can edit the template under the Edit tab. Change the colors as well and the size of the objects and texts. And there you go. Like and subscribe to the channel for more great contents.